Hi, my name's Charlotte. I am 19 years old. Started training when I was 9. I'm now 19, 20 this year, so this is my 11th year. I had to stop training due to an injury, but I didn't want to leave the sport completely, so my coach encouraged me to start helping out. Yeah, the club encouraged me to volunteer. They offered me extra hours to help. They offered me mentoring and coaching courses. I would shadow my mentor coaches, help out with smaller tasks, and then I was eventually given my own group in the recreational sessions and just started to coach my own girls. I started off doing 3 on a Saturday and I ended up doing about 9 a week, if not a few more. I've had so many opportunities from the club. I've got a level 1 and level 2 qualification in women's artistic, level 1 rhythmic, level 1 preschool, and I'm going on to do my level 2 preschool and my level 1 men's in the future. Volunteering helped, but when you get the qualifications you're more employable because you can run your own session as soon as you're a level 2, so that helped. As soon as I started volunteering I knew that I wanted to be a gym coach. The club got to know me, they got to know what I could do and how I was with children, and that definitely helped. Yes, I definitely recommend other people to volunteer. I've got another job now from volunteering in the Earth, coaching in Welsh, and I've gained so many qualifications and experiences from it.